quick reading for February the 1st to February the 7th. Taurus, we have the World card, the Six of Pentacles, and the King of Cups. January, February na pala, ang tagal kasi ng January. Anyway, kung napansin natin si person, parang binabaliwala tayo, no? Nitong mga nakaraang araw, linggo, buwan, last year. Ngayon parang bumabawi din naman sila, no? Nang meron ditong mga support, especially doon sa may mga anak, no? At nasa malayong lugar itong si person. Whether this is child support or moral support sa'yo, whether this is financial support sa business mo or pwede mong gawin, or sa mga pinagdadaanan mo, no? I think that your person is going to be beside you. Kasi ang nakikita natin dito, malaki din naman yung mga pagbabago at realization na nangyari sa kanya. Meron din ditong napagtanto niya na mahal ko pala or mahal ko pa pala itong taong ito. So this is your quick reading, Taurus, for February the 1st to February the 7th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.